Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, and now we're here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of September, 2024, our system has categorized VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.77. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects no change, sitting at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is currently operating within a horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this established pattern. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 0.721% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 4.79% to positive 4.14%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.68% over the coming year, with a potential return varying between 27.46% and 40.81%. This implies a projected price range of $642.78 to $710.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday's trading session. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.412% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, rising from $502.23 to $504.30. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.04%, with a low of $499.50 and a high of $504.71. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a 2.15% loss over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 621,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.43 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 2.91%, or $15.10, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Last week witnessed a significant increase in investor interest towards exchange-traded funds, with a remarkable sum of $7.1 billion flowing into the market. Among the highlighted ETFs, VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, attracted considerable attention. In a volatile market, characterized by rising investor fear, as indicated by the CBOE Volatility Index reaching multi-year highs, VOO has become increasingly appealing to both amateur and seasoned investors. Market analysts suggest that despite recent volatility, August delivered better performance for the S&P 500 compared to earlier months this year, indicating a potential stabilization. This trend is further supported by predictions from analysts like Tom Lee, who forecasts that the S&P 500 could surge to 15,000 by 2030, driven by advancements in sectors such as artificial intelligence. However, potential tax hikes proposed by presidential candidate Kamala Harris, which could raise corporate tax rates, present an uncertainty that might influence long-term investor sentiment towards equities, including VOO. In the short term, the influx of capital into VOO, combined with its established reputation as a diversified investment vehicle, positions it favorably. If the market can sustain its rally, and if corporate policies remain favorable, VOO could experience a positive impact on its stock price moving forward. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $505.72. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at roughly $502.24. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices gained. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could affect the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has dropped by 2.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or a MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 24 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 198 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $489.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as very low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $5.20 between its high and low, which represents 1.04%. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.26%. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for VOO. If an upward trend occurs, the first resistance level for VOO is at 507.56. For those who do not currently own shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For existing shareholders, this could be an opportune moment to consider swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its initial support level at 489.91. If this support level proves to be stable, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $484.41, reflecting a decline of 3.94%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 25 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several negative indicators, suggesting it could be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, It may be wise to consider it as a hold or accumulation opportunity while we monitor further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we anticipate that VOO will open down by $1.47, starting at $502.84. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.